In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Perplexity AI and start exploring its features. Perplexity AI helps you ask questions and get clear, sourced answers fast, whether you're on a computer or on your phone. We'll go from opening the site or app all the way to your first exploration, step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Perplexity AI website. If you'd rather use a phone or tablet, open your device's app store and download the Perplexity AI app. Search for the official listing, check the developer and reviews, and make sure you have a good internet connection before you continue. Once you're in, look for the sign up button on the homepage. It's usually easy to spot near the top of the screen. Click or tap it to begin creating your account. You'll be asked for a few basics. Enter your full name and a valid email address. Then create a strong password. Aim for a unique passphrase that mixes letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing passwords from other sites. Keep this information private and store it somewhere secure if you need a reminder later. Before your account is ready, you'll need to verify your email. Open your inbox and find the message from Perplexity AI. Then click the verification link inside to confirm. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder and use the resend option if the link has expired. Quick note while we're here. I've placed the official website link and a direct download link for the mobile app at the very top of the description. Use those to get to the right place quickly and safely. After verification, return to the website or app and log in using the email and password you just set. If you want your device to remember you, you can enable the Stay Signed In option on a trusted device. Now you're ready to explore. Start by asking a simple question to see how responses are organized. Review the sources provided and try refining your query with a follow-up for more precise results. On mobile, you can explore settings like notifications or appearance to suit your preferences. As you use it, you'll get a feel for how to phrase questions for the most helpful answers. And that's the process. You opened the site or app, signed up, verified your email, logged in, and began exploring. If this walkthrough helped, consider sharing it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching.